Here's a baby bird that's hatched and his mommy's been feeding him. And man, it's growing a lot. Comes the mom. Oh, feeding him again. Well, that was a good one. Wow. Baby's gonna be flying soon. Wow. Look at that. Look at that.
It's the circle of life.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, come here.
Guys, the baby's standing on top of the nest trying to fly.
You're what?
A little tight.
Here, baby, come here so I can do your hair. I gotta go to work. Yeah, those are. Why don't you wear some
No way.
shorts when you're running around? Those purple ones are pretty.
What, Daddy?
And then
The bird's flying?
Don't scare it.
Oh, it's so big.
Are those Edens?
Mommy, the baby bird's trying to fly.
What?
It's so fat like the father.
It's trying to fly?
Yeah, it's on top of its nest, ready to fly.
Just got back in its nest.
It's so fuzzy, it's a little bit fatter like its father.
Hey, don't rip on the father's weight.
Daddy, I'm not talking about you.
I know. Look. Oh, that was good. Look at that. Little baby bird's getting fat. Getting a buffet.
Like I told you.
Oh,
She took the worm.
she took the worm away from him.
Mommy, that's
Must have been a bad baby.
She took the worm away right after he said, he's a little fat. He's a little
Yeah.
fat bird.
I guess the early bird takes away the worm.
No, the mom probably. Mommy,
Yeah, that's
you
too
take
funny,
away our
then.
candy when we're bad.
Yeah, it must have been back talking its mom.
Why'd you